Hey guys, I'm showing you this Mygreen Kids backpack. It's a blue color one, and this can be used for all the school ages kids. Can be used in the school or can be used on a travel. So let's open the pack and see. So this one is like a nice pack design. You can see in the string and then a mesh pocket in the front. There is a different compartment. So let's see. So this is the mesh pocket that can be used to keep some stuff visible. Inside pocket is also for the pen folder and small stuff that kids can play. The zipper are soft zipper, easy to use. Is a one big compartment here to store some important stuff. And then also this have this hooks on the side and the big compartment. So the big compartment can be used for the laptop for holding other stuff in, a zipper inside to hold some important stuff with a mesh pocket, and also this, if you expand it completely, you can see the size of the bag. It can hold really good amount of books, lunchbox and laptop and everything. The straps are comfortable. This is for the travel. Strap is there for the luggage, and also you can adjust the strap and the things. So the water bottle can come on the side and can hold with the hook if they are big bottle. So while wearing it, the kids feel really comfortable, and the bag holds well with the water bottle with the hook on the side. And then it also have this side well, so you can see the bag looks good on the kid and is comfortable, not very much heavy and stuff. So lightweight, waterproof and easily adjustable school bag.